I'm Uwe Langhammer, and this tutorial is about Google Sites, the website builder in Google. And my information is on the screen. If you have any questions after this tutorial, my email is right here, Twitter handle, phone number. So let's get to Google Sites. So if you signed into Google and you go to Google Apps, if you select Google Sites, it will ask you on the left side, create, and you want to select Google New Sites. So the landing page is the main home page, and you have the tools on the right side. So you have three tabs: Insert, Pages, and Themes. So if you don't like the theme right here, you can either change it, like the colors and the font style, or select a different theme. I'm going to do that manually, and I'm going to go back to Insert, and I'm going to give my page a name, Summer Camp, and this is just the example what this website builder could be used for, and you need to purpose the website for your preference. So I'm going to put the same name over here. This will also be the name how the site is saved as. I'm going to add a logo. I have the All-in logo on my desktop, so I'm going to put it right there. I don't like the white background under here, so I'm going to change to transparent. And then I'm going to change the image right here manually. So I'm going to go change image. I'm going to upload a image I found copyright free that has the summer learning on here, and our header is done. So underneath the header, you have the usual space, and you can use all the tools. You can change the layout, and I'm going to scroll down. Anything you already have in Google Drive, or if you have Google Docs or Google Slides, you can pull them in here. If you want a YouTube video on the main page, you can pull the YouTube video right in from YouTube. I'm gonna enter a text box right from over here, or I can double click here and add text box. So this is where text it could go. It can be copy and pasted from a Word document. It can be pulled from a Google Doc. That's totally up to you. This should be main information, what this website is all about. In this case, I'm going to make it about the summer camp. And I'm going to just below, just going to upload the summer camp picture one more time to show you how quick and easy it is to put in that image one more time. So our main page is basically done. It should only have the basic and main information. So now we're going to create some sub pages. If you go to pages, and I'm going to create some of the sub pages I know is focus in summer camp. I know ELA is. I know history is. And then there's another focus on science. So I'm going to go create a science subpage, and I'm going to create one more. I know engineering. Engineering is one focus. Then I want my visitors to easily find out the locations where summer camp will happen. So I'm gonna enter a map with the locations, and this is gonna be a Google map. So far so good. So we have our main page done. We have the sub pages done, and now that the good thing about collaboration in Google, even in Google Sites, is let's say you want to pull in the ELA, history, science, engineering head or teacher, you can share the site with them. So you put in the email address and leave the selection to can edit. So basically the other 4 teachers, they could fill out all the information for ELA, history, science, and engineering. This could also be a collaboration among students if they work on one project and collaborate on one website. I'm going to cancel this. I'm not going to put in any names right here, but if you leave it on Can Edit, people will be able to work on their section. What I'm going to show you is how to enter a Google map. So I'm going to go to the Maps page. And in Google Maps, I just selected all in middle right here. And I go to the menu and I go to Share or Embed. And you don't want to share a link, you want to embed a HTML code. So this looks a little small, so I'm going to go to either large or custom size. If you go to custom size, 800 by 600 is actually a good format. So I'm going to copy the HTML. I'm going to go back to my site. I'm going to double click on embed, and change it to embed code. Copy the embed code and click insert, and there's our map. It looks smaller in before you publish, but they always will have the chance to click on a larger map to see the whole map, and then they can, make plans to attend different locations. So we have our homepage. We have 5 subpages, and this is how to get started. So there's much more. So you could, put in a calendar. You can, insert more graphics, charts, what have you. So from there on, it's just another step to make this your collaboration homepage in Google Sites. Use it as a tool inside the Google Continuum. And the last thing you would do now is click Publish. Once you click Publish, it will, add the word Summer Camp. So this would be the URL right here. This would be the URL for your website. I'm not going to publish, but once you click Publish, your site becomes live and will be online. So this is all how to get started. And again, if you have questions or anything else I can help you with, let me know. Good luck. Thank you.